In this video, I'll show you how you can link products on your website with your Instagram feed. To do this, we'll be using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. It allows us to display our Instagram feed on our site in a fast and responsive feed like this. You can check it out on smashballoon.com. For this tutorial, I've already got it installed and set up on my site. To get started with setting up Instagram shopping, let's quickly go ahead and create a new Instagram feed. Click on Instagram feed on the left-hand side, then click on Add New to get started. For the first step, we'll have to select a feed type. With Instagram Feed Pro, we have 3 different feed types you can create: a feed of posts from any user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, or a feed of posts that you've been tagged in. Let's continue with the user timeline option, which is already selected, so we can click on Next. Now we'll have to add a source for our feed, so we can click on Add Source, and on this screen, we can select the option that best suits our Instagram account, whether our Instagram account is a Business Basic account or a Business Advanced account. The only difference is that Business Advanced is connected to a Facebook page. But to access all the features available on Instagram Feed Pro, we recommend that you have a Business Advanced account. For this tutorial, let's continue with Business Advanced. Once selected, click Connect. And here it's asking us if we've connected Facebook with this plugin before. I'm going to click on No, then we can click on Connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access. And here you can see all the businesses, Instagram accounts, and Facebook pages connected to your Facebook account. Find the Instagram account you want to connect to Smashballoon, and make sure it's toggled on everywhere that you can see it on this page. After that, we can close this and click on Continue. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Let's click on Yes, it's my domain. And back inside Instagram Feed Pro, we can see the Instagram accounts we've connected with Smashballoon. Select your account like this, then click on Add. After that, you can see that Instagram account added here as a source. Select it, and we can click on Next. On this step, we'll have to select the theme for the design of our Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design to help your Instagram feed stand out on your site. Let's continue with the modern one, and once selected, click Next. Finally, onto the last step of creating our Instagram feed, selecting a feed template. We have options like the default, Simple Grid Excel, Card Grid, and more. Let's go with the highlight template, and after selecting it, we can click on Next. And instantly, we have a preview of our brand new Instagram feed inside the plugin. The feed features the latest Instagram post from the account we added as a source, Green Grove Eatery. At the top, we have a header, which features the account profile picture, name, and bio. Underneath that, we have our Instagram feed in the highlight layout, which features the latest post in a larger thumbnail at the top of our feed. The rest of the posts are displayed inside a grid. Now let's quickly go and embed this feed on our site. Just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. For us, let's go with the home page. Next, we can click on Add. And since our page is made with Elementor, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are on our page inside Elementor, and if I scroll down, we can embed our new Instagram feed right here. To embed it, let's go look for a shortcode block. So we can search for it here. Shortcode, that's this one here. So we can click, drag it, then place it here like this. After that, we can paste the shortcode that we copied earlier. We can publish our page to check out what it looks like. Alright, here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and if I scroll down, we have our brand new Instagram feed ready to go. We've easily embedded inside Elementor, and we've got our latest post displayed inside the feed. And currently, with the way the feed is set up right now, if you click on a post, that post will open up inside a lightbox view, where you can view the image in a larger size, and you have the caption on the right-hand side too. But now, since we want to make a shoppable Instagram feed, let me show you how we can do that. So the idea is that when someone clicks on a post on your Instagram feed, they will automatically be taken to a product on your website. Let me show you how we can set that up. Let's go back into our Instagram feed. Next, let's go into Settings. And the feature we're looking for is Shoppable Feed, this one here. And inside this menu, let's go click on Enable. Alright, so we've now enabled shoppable feeds, and you notice on the right-hand side inside your feed, we've got an Add button on top of each post. Once you click on it, on the left-hand side, you can see what post you've selected, and underneath that, you can enter a product link. This is where you can specify what product you want to link to that post. As you can see inside this post, we've got avocados. Now on our WordPress website, we've got a product for avocado right here. This is the products page. And for this example, let's go and link that Instagram post to this product. So all we have to do is copy the URL for this product, this one here. Then we can head back and paste it as our product link down at the bottom. Once that's done, just click on Add. Right, so now when you hover over this post, you can see that instead of saying Add, it says Update. That's because this post already has a link attached to it. Let's go and do the same thing for another post too. For example, let's go with this one. Let's click on Add. And for this one, you can see that they've got pumpkins inside this dish. And to match that, we've got a pumpkin product on our site as well, this one here. So in the same way, I'm going to go copy the URL, then back inside Instagram Feed Pro, we can paste that product link down at the bottom and click on Add. Alright, so we've now added 2 links onto this post and this one too. Let's click on Save. And now if we head back to our live WordPress website and scroll down to our feed, here it is. At first glance, it doesn't look like anything's changed. But now, if you click on one of these posts, this one here, it automatically takes us to the product page on our site, the one that we linked to this post. This way, any site visitor that's interested in this recipe can click on it and go in and buy that product directly from your website. Okay, so let's go and try out the other product as well. So the other post that we linked to our product was this one here. So once clicked, it automatically takes us to the pumpkin product page, which is the one that we linked to that post too. And that's all you have to do to create a shoppable Instagram feed on your site. Our new Instagram feed is not only helping us boost engagement on our site, but it's also helping us increase conversions by leveraging our Instagram posts. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.